Okay guys, in today's video there should be someone joining soon. This guy. So I'm gonna get a bag ready for him. How much room do I have? 3. So 1, 2, 3. Yo, is that you?
Yeah.
So since you had killed me, so you're in this YouTube video. This bag here, come here. I'll show you what it has in it, and then you get it. So look.
I saw a bit of it. Pumpkins.
Yeah, they're rare. And then yeah, you get this stuff. So you get that, and then here, you get one more thing.
What is it, like a briefcase or something?
Here, I'm gonna get this small bag, and then I'll put stuff. What does it have in it? Some of my stuff.
Ooh.
Oh man, I don't need that. Okay, so come here. So you're on YouTube. Making sure I don't have anything. I'll put some of that in there.
It's
You could. That's full. Okay. So take this. Here, I'll get another bag for you. One here. Alright, so come over here once you're ready. 2. Here's your other bag too.
Thanks, bro. I'm like really broke too right now.
Yeah, to fix that up a little bit.
I'm like at 350.
This bag is full of magma crystals, and we're about to sell it.
Ooh, wait, I have one right here too.
And also, if you want to be on, if you want to subscribe to my YouTube or on YouTube, it's JN Bros VR, no spaces. I have videos.
Right.
One's called Kaboom, and I have another one. I forgot the name, but yeah.
I don't think it's gonna sell all the way, but
Also, so I have another channel that you should go subscribe to. So you should subscribe to mine and my cousin's ZPlayVR. And also,
hold on, I can't really subscribe to it right now, but I'll try.
okay. But also,
I don't have an account logged in right now.
So, since
wait, what is it?
You killed me and you got a reward. So my channel is JN Bros VR and my cousin's is ZPlayVR. Shout out to ZPlayVR and tell the viewers what they should do.
Like and subscribe right now. I'm gonna blow up your house.